I am Karanam Ajit Narayan Rao, Assistant Professor, Vijayanagar College, Hospete. In the subject of physics, I am going to discuss paper 5.1. The title of the paper is Atomic and Molecular Physics. And the contents of the paper are basic properties of atom, atomic models, vector atom model, molecular spectra, Raman effect, and lasers, of which I am going to discuss the topics, namely atomic models and molecular spectra. Let us begin our studies with atomic models. After the discovery of electrons and other such particles in the beginning of the 19th century, several theories have been proposed from time to time regarding the atomic structures, which are known as atomic models. The various atomic models are as follows. They are the Thomson's model or plum-pudding model, Rutherford's model or planetary model, Bohr's atom model, Sommerfeld's atom model, wave mechanical model, and vector atom model. The Thomson's model of an atom. As you all know that an atom consisting of a positively charged nucleus and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. And according to this model, every atom consisting of a positively charged sphere of radius of about 10 raised to minus 10 meters or 1 angstrom units, in which the entire mass and positive charge are uniformly distributed. Negatively charged electrons are bounded to this positive sphere like seeds in watermelon or plum in the pudding state. Hence, it is also said to be plum-pudding model of an atom or Thomson's model of an atom. The total charge of the electron is equal to the charge of the nucleus. Thus, the atom is electrically neutral. The Thomson's model satisfactorily explains the electrical neutrality, thermionic emission, and ionization. But it could not explain the origin of spectral lines in the hydrogen atom and could not explain large angle alpha scattering. Hence, this model of an atom is discarded. Thank you.